Yeah, I picked these up. Well, I wouldn't say the other day. I've had them for a little bit, but I haven't actually used them yet. I don't know how you say that. KAIWEETS? KAIWEETS? I don't know. Pronounce it how you want. But these are pretty cool looking. Get a look there. What it does. I'm shooting them everywhere. Get a look at that. As it creates. Oh man, I'm knocking them everywhere. It creates, it's a crimper. And when you squeeze, I'm not going to squeeze this because I don't want to ruin it. But what it'll do is when you squeeze that inside there, it crimps it down into a square. And then if you're, that way when you got something smaller, I mean, you know, like a charge controller or something, and you want to screw that in there, you ain't got to worry about the loose wires. You just pick the end that you need. Then you can put it in there and tighten it down up against that there square end you made. But I haven't tested that either. And I buy this stuff for things I think about doing, and then I just never get around to it. But, alright guys,